Power BI is Microsoft's self-service data visualization and business intelligence tool. So that's the BI and Power BI. And the goal of this product is really to help you make more informed decisions by making it easier to get insights into your data. You're already in the cloud, you have all of this data collected and readily available to you. Some people can look at raw data and straight numbers and know what it means and what they need to do, but most people benefit from a visual representation in order to better see trends, to see if key performance indicators are being met, and if not, how big that gap is, and to just really get a bird's eye view of how the business or department within the business is doing. And the really great thing about Power BI is that this can be used by data experts, but it can also be used by people who are just learning about how to use data visualization to help make business decisions. So quick overview on Power BI here and kind of what this interface looks like. The first step that you're going to do is you're going to be loading your data into Power BI, and you can do that through a variety of sources. Again, this can be done by data teams who are pulling in from data lakes, from external data connectors such as Azure. It can also be just a basic spreadsheet by a user who's looking to get a visual representation of some data that they've pulled together. Once they've done that, you have the opportunity to review relationships between multiple data sources. But at that point, what you also get to do is the transform data kind of a window within. And so what that means is you have the ability to add fields to your data, to expand out and add more information to your data without impacting the source data. So that original document or connector remains unchanged, but you can really add a lot of information within Power BI so that you get that in the visual, but maybe it wouldn't have been included in that original spreadsheet. So once you've done that, you're off to the races. You can start pulling together graphics that incorporate those different data sources or just that one data source, and really start telling a visual story with the different graphs that are available. Power BI comes with a series of built-in visualizations, but you can also go to the marketplace and get others that are more detailed or more niche to whatever you're trying to do. And as you really start building out, you can get pretty in depth with this. If you know that a lot of your users are going to be looking at this from a mobile phone, you can also create a mobile layout that is easier to consume from a phone when you're on the go, so it's not just a desktop dashboard.